The instrument panel brings together all the information you need to drive. The screen display is fully customizable. You can set the design of the screen and choose widgets to suit the information that you want to see. When the engine starts, the ready message appears to tell you that the vehicle is ready to set off. It goes out when the speed passes about 3.1 miles per hour, 5 kilometers per hour. Each screen design contains a field that displays information and vehicle malfunction messages. Depending on the design of the instrument panel view mode, you can modify the way the widgets are displayed. Press one of these buttons to display information about distance traveled, consumption, autonomy, tire pressures, or the Eco Monitor. The distance widget shows the total distance traveled and the distance traveled since the last reset. The consumption widget tells you about your average energy consumption since the last reset and your current energy consumption. To reset this information manually, press and hold the bottom of this switch. The autonomy widget helps you to visualize your remaining range according to the type of road you are about to cover. Based on your driving style over the last 70 kilometers and the level of your battery, this is your current range. This figure represents an estimated range when driving in an urban environment, and this one when driving on the motorway. Note that these figures are an indication, and that your range will therefore vary according to your speed, as well as the outside temperature, for example. The tire pressure widget shows the current pressures on the instrument panel, allows you to reset the pressure of the 4 tires. With the ignition on and the vehicle stationary, press and hold OK. The Eco Monitor tells you about your driving style. The bigger the circle in the green zone, the better you're controlling your speed and acceleration, and the better your anticipation. It shows that your driving is economical. Use this button on the steering wheel to select a view mode from several designs: driving aids, power, minimal, and charge. The driving aids design displays on the instrument panel: speed, full-screen active driving aids, and the information zone. The power design consists mainly of a speedometer and a power meter. The power meter indicates your vehicle's energy consumption in real time. It shows when energy is being recovered and when it is being consumed. When you are in the charge zone, the battery is recharging. The further you are in the power zone, the greater the amount of energy that your vehicle is consuming. In neutral position, energy consumption is 0. The minimal design provides essential information only. Your speed, the current gear, and the driving aids that are currently in use are displayed in the center of the screen. Lastly, the traction battery charge level, forecast range, and the current regenerative braking level are shown at the bottom of each screen. The range shown is calculated on the energy that your vehicle consumed over the last 43.4 miles, 70 kilometers. The charge design shows your vehicle's charge status. It appears at the start of a charge when the vehicle is connected to a power supply. You can see the current charge level of your battery and the maximum charge level that you have set. The corresponding charge level appears here. It also shows your vehicle's range calculated on the charge already present. This figure is an estimated charging time. It depends in particular on the amount of energy remaining, as well as the power supplied by the charging terminal.